I'm going to show you in this video the 3 effective steps that I'm using to reverse engineer high converting ads for our client brands and speed up our creative operations. So number one, most important, is you want to be able to identify the goal and the stage of awareness for what you are actually trying to achieve. If you're not familiar with the 5 stages of awareness, you have the unaware stage, the problem aware, the solution aware, product aware, and then most aware. These represent 5 different types of customers and their awareness of your brand, as well as the solution that you're providing and selling, as well as what you can offer them, of course. These are going to dictate the different key ad elements that get utilized, as well as how you appeal to them and grab their attention. So for you to be able to reverse engineer and achieve success for your brand, you need to be able to understand which stage you are targeting. We're going to be utilizing a brand, Gruns, here to provide our examples, and we're going to be focusing on the unaware stage. So people that aren't actually aware of the need or desire to solve the problem, this is where we're going to educate them. We're going to demonstrate and entertain some of the benefits, right? And then you can see down here some of these key questions that you should be asking, no matter what the stage is, to help you determine the direction of the ads and what you're actually trying to reverse engineer. Step 2 is going to be to study what's already working. To study what's working, I've put together a bunch of resources for you, and I'll link them below. They're inside of our school community, where we've broken down over 50 different high converting 8 and 9 figure DTC brands and their exact customer journeys. We go deep into the ads that they're utilizing, as well as what's working best. I would also recommend that you tap into foreplay.co if you're not familiar with them. Super effective way to organize boards, as well as identify high converting ads. It pulls directly from the ads library, and they have very great filtering capabilities that make it super easy to quickly find their best converting ads. So the reason you want to study what's working at this stage, and I'll show you, we're going to be focusing on AG1 here, is because you can really pull out the key elements that they're utilizing to appeal to similar customers or your exact ICP. In these funnel breakdowns, which I'll share, you'll get a clear breakdown and you'll be able to see the methodology in which they're using. In this case, we're going to be focusing on the product close-up and product USPs. It's a great type of ad type to reverse engineer for wellness brands. And here you can see a brief description as well as how they're utilizing this to appeal to a specific type of customer persona, right? And then we're going to do another example for the benefits-focused ad, which lists out relevant benefits and target a specific customer. And inside these breakdowns, just to show you, we also went ahead and showed not just the ads, but the whole customer journey and the different pages that they're driving traffic to from those ads. Very important for understanding the connection between what the ad is showing, who it's speaking to, and then the offer on the landing page that they're converting on. That is step 2. Now that we know we're going to be targeting awareness ads, we know why we're going to be reverse engineering the ads that we want to pick from, and we've studied what's working. The third and final step is going to be actually passing this creative direction and utilizing some agents. So here you can see some examples, but I'm going to show you how we're going to take 2 of these high converting ads from AG1, as well as some quick research, and then reverse engineer that utilizing the brand kit as well as the agents inside of Growthub. So I've already went ahead and downloaded the 2 ads that we're going to be picking from. The AG1 product close-up ad you can see here. All I did was actually save the ad and move it over, and utilizing our brand kit, I have the full style guides, colors, and product photos already ready. So I was able to just simply utilize this prompt right here, and within less than a minute, I was able to reverse engineer our ad. Now, of course, it's not going to be perfect in some cases, and this is a very basic example of a prompt, but say you wanted to make changes, of course, you have the ability to perform masking and refinements if there's any spelling mistakes, right? Like here, you could fix probiotics a bit, but the packaging was on point and 100% accurate. And here's our second example too, for inside the chat assistant directly passing reference images and reverse engineering. We have our product benefits listed. We have the core USPs of the green gummies as well. And the branding and persona has been completely swapped. So it's truly amazing. We did this in less than 30 seconds, and we have 2 ads here fully reversed engineered. I'm showing you one example as well. We do have the ability to batch generate these, so you could generate based off reverse engineered winning ads at scale. So you could do 5, 10 generations at a time to create multiple variations to pick from. Now, one other super powerful way that I wanted to show that you can utilize workflows and agents is here inside of this workflow. This is a bit more in depth, but what I'm doing is I'm providing an input. In this case, it's this ad right here, product benefits in hand. And then this is actually going to be a sub agent, which is going to reverse engineer the ad, and it's going to break down the following key elements in which make it a good high converting ad. And then I'm going to take that output and pass it to our image generation node. And you can see here that we're utilizing our reference images. We want to generate a static ad from the summary from our previous agent. So we have the one sub agent passing the analysis to the image generation, and utilizing Nano Banana and our brand kit, we were able to generate this version here. Now, of course, we can generate these in batches by simply configuring the loop sequence, adding more iterations to our batch generation. but you get the idea of how we're reverse engineering ads with agents within minutes. So this whole workflow is super powerful because, again, I'm pulling from real world, what's literally working right now to convert similar customers. And then with my understanding of the brand, as well as the brand kit already set up, I'm able to use these agents within Growthub and pump out these ads at volume. Now, within a few minutes, you've seen how powerful this creative workflow process is, and you can pass these off to your team for further iterations or launch them immediately. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out, but I'll put all of the resources that I went through in this video below. And if you found this video valuable, please make sure to leave a like and comment and let me know below on what type of content you would like to see. Stay tuned. I'm going to keep bringing you guys exciting new AI marketing content, as well as powerful creative ops and infrastructure that you can build into your business to see results immediately. It's Antonio Romero. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.